We're flushing the condenser and replacing the dryer on this 2015 Honda City. We also replaced the compressor clutch on this unit. You can check out that process in a separate video. Since the compressor was compromised, it's good practice to flush the condenser. Over time, contaminants and oil residue can clog the narrow passages and affect cooling performance. This helps clear out any debris that might spread through the system. We'll start by taking off the upper radiator support. The front bumper also needs to be partially removed to create enough clearance to pull out the condenser. There are several clips and some wiring running through the support, so those need to be carefully removed. A flat tool, like an old dulled knife, is useful when pulling out stubborn clips without damage. Disconnect the refrigerant lines from the condenser. We'll cap both ends of the condenser, one with an attached adapter, so the flushing solvent can be pushed through that. It will exit from the built-in receiver dryer cover. Let's remove the cover and pull out the receiver dryer. It's quite dirty, full of trapped dirt and debris from the system. To help loosen the buildup inside the condenser tubes, we add a specialized cleaning solvent. After that, we use pressurized air to blow out the loosened dirt and residue. This process is repeated several times until the expelled material runs clear, indicating the tubes are clean. Although it's not shown in the video, we also use a flushing solvent afterwards to ensure the inside of the condenser is completely dry before reassembly. Let's install a new receiver dryer. It's important to replace this whenever you flush the condenser because it traps moisture and contaminants that could damage the system. Time to reinstall the condenser. Be sure to add the bushings and make sure it's properly seated on its mounts for a secure fit. Reconnect the refrigerant lines tightly to prevent any leaks. Don't forget to replace the O-rings. Reinstall the upper radiator support. Don't forget to reconnect all clips and tighten every bolt. Reinstall the hood latch. Make sure it's installed properly so the hood opens and closes smoothly. With everything back in place, perform a leak test to ensure the system is sealed properly before recharging with refrigerant. And that's it. Regular maintenance like this helps keep your AC system running efficiently and prevents costly repairs down the line. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical automotive repair tips.